Good day, everybody. Welcome to another video on calculus in grade 12 examples. I am Gaston Mapala, right here at Maths with Gaston, where we make things happen. Please make sure that you subscribe so that you can get more examples. We can work together to get those distinctions. Now, let's have a look at calculus derivation from first principle. Example here is x squared plus x. Okay. All right, so we're going to substitute this f of x into that equation right there. All right, so let's come here. We're going to have lim when h approaches 0, wherever there's x, we put x plus h. Okay, I have said this so many times. If you haven't seen our video on calculus grade 12 lesson, please go and have a look at that video so that you can understand what we're doing here. All right, great. Wherever there's x, I'm going to put x plus h. And then this x squared plus, there's another x there. I'm going to put x plus h. All minus, what is f of x? F of x is this whole thing here. Is the whole equation f of x. Ne? So I'm going to put it in the bracket x squared plus x close bracket all over h. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to keep writing lim h approaches 0 because it has not yet approached 0. All right. Okay, all over, everything will be all over h. Now let me take out the bracket here, expand the way it is. Okay, plus x plus h minus in bracket x squared plus x. Okay, great. Okay, now I'm going to come here and say lim when h approaches 0, and then I'm going to remove the bracket here, and then I'm going to do binomial. All right, there you go. All over h as always, x squared plus x times h is going to give us xh, and then there will be another xh from there. When you add them together, it's going to give you 2xh plus h times h is going to give us plus h squared plus x plus h, and therefore when you remove the bracket here, you're going to have negative times x squared is going to be negative x squared. Negative times positive is going to give us negative x at the end. All right. Okay. Now let's look at the like terms. I've got plus x here. I've got minus x there. I've got positive x squared here. I've got negative x squared there. Would cancel out. Okay. I've got h here, and then I have got h squared here. There's no like terms anymore. Okay, now let's come here. Lim, when h approaches 0, you are going to have everything will be all over h. We are going to be left with 2xh plus h squared plus h. Okay, so as you can see here, you've got h there, you've got h squared there, and then you also got h here, you also get another h here at the bottom. Therefore, we can take out the common factor. Just gonna write here lim when h is approaching 0 because it has not approached 0 yet. There you go. Then now you are going to take out a common factor of h. Here you are going to be left with 2x plus h plus 1 close bracket all over h. You've got h at the numerator, h at the denominator, therefore these h's will cancel out. Therefore, this is what you are left with. Lim when h approaches 0, you're going to be left with 2x plus h plus 1. All right. So now lim h has approached 0, so I'm going to be left with 2x plus 0 plus 1, which is therefore going to give us x plus 1. Maximum max, everything I have written, h lim h approaches 0 because it hasn't approached 0. Therefore, you're going to get full marks. Normally, these questions, they are 4 marks and above. Okay, so please make sure that you maximize getting those marks. Thank you very much, guys. Yes, another example on calculus. Let me see you on the next upload where we'll be dealing with derivation from definition. And I am Gaston Mapala. See you on the next upload.